In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your business processes, understanding how to efficiently manage tasks is vital. So let's dive right in and start getting organized. First, we'll begin by accessing HubSpot CRM. And if you haven't already done so, a quick internet search will get you the link you need. Once there, look for HubSpot CRM software and click on it. To use HubSpot, you'll need an account, so if you're not already signed up, you'll see an option labeled Get Started Free. Go ahead and click on that. It's a straightforward guided process to create or enter an existing account, so complete this part to proceed further. If you're already set up with a user account, you can simply click on Continue with this user. Similarly, if you have multiple accounts linked, select the one that you want to work with today and click Continue with this account. Once logged in, we are going to head over to the tasks section, which acts as the nerve center for every task you create and manage. Go to the sales workspace where you'll find the task section. This space is specifically designed for this kind of task management, so you're in the right place. Now click on tasks. This view is perfect because it allows you to see all of your ongoing tasks and their statuses at a glance. Let's move on to actually creating a task. In the task dashboard, you'll notice an orange button that says Create Task in the top right corner. Clicking this will open up a panel where you can fill in all the details of your task. Here's where you need to focus on the specifics. Start with the title, giving your task a clear and descriptive name so you and your team can understand the task at a glance. Next, under task type, select whether it's a call, an email, or just a general to-do. This will help you in categorizing your tasks efficiently. Now let's set the due date and time. It helps in keeping track of when the task needs to be completed, maintaining order and punctuality. Assign the task to yourself or a member of your team under the Assign section. Setting the priority is next. Mark it as high, medium, or low. This ensures that tasks that need immediate attention are easily identifiable. The section for notes is where you can really add value. This is the place to connect details, context, or relevant links for a clearer understanding of the task. It's always helpful when looking back at tasks with a fresh mindset. Don't forget to associate the task with pertinent records like a contact, company, deal, or ticket. This association keeps all relevant CRM data linked together, allowing for seamless operation. Finally, once you've verified everything is as it should be, click Create. This task is now recorded and ready for action in your HubSpot CRM dashboard. That's it. You're all set, ready to create and manage tasks efficiently within HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your CRM up to date.